You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two contractions in English, very commonly used. The top one here is for the contraction of do not, as in I do not understand. You would often contract those two words, do not, in English, and say it as don't. So it's not don't, it's not don't. Don't. I don't understand. Don't. The Americans say it as don't. That's fine. Alright, I don't understand. That's your top word here. Now the third person of the verb do makes the sound does, okay, as in it does make sense. Now the negative of that is it doesn't. Doesn't. The schwa sound, the z, a z sound, a z sound, not an s sound, a z sound. Doesn't. It doesn't make sense. So again, to recap, don't, doesn't, don't, doesn't. Could you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce those correctly? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.